house. I think this is a Westinghouse. Oh no, it's a Schindler. Oh, what the heck? It's got MT on the inside. That's weird. Oh man, I think someone called it. I hope I don't get like... Down to one. I thought someone called it. Oh look, it's got the Westinghouse on the inside. That's really weird. Yeah, because this building, literally there's only one tenant, so it would be really awkward if they were like, what are you doing on the elevator? Capacity is 2,500 pounds. This is interesting. I almost wonder if they replaced the interior fixtures. Here's your certificate and your telephone. Open the doors back up. Ow. And then the doors will go ahead and close on me, I guess. Anyway, that's it.